I'm Martha Carlin, the CEO and founder of the BioCollective. The BioCollective is a microbiome company providing products and services for research and product development in the emerging field of the microbiome. The microbiome is the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live in and on our body, and they function as our internal pharmacy to maintain our health. We provide services to academics, pharmaceutical companies, nutraceuticals, and even develop our own line of probiotics. The BioCollective has had both positive and negative impacts from the COVID crisis. From a positive perspective, we've had the opportunity to potentially expand an NIH grant we have for making reference materials that can be used in wastewater and sewage treatment for the detection of COVID. And we're waiting to hear back from the NIH on that add-on to our existing grant. From a negative perspective, we actually had the cancellation or delay of a number of significant projects that we were working on with both government and pharmaceutical companies. And that's had a pretty significant financial impact on us. But we have seen some positive uptick in sales from the probiotic lines we've developed as people start to focus on their health and wellness and how to support their immunity so that they're in the best shape possible if they come in contact with someone with a virus. We've adapted to the current crisis in several ways. First, we've made our schedules more flexible for our team to ensure that everyone feels safe and comfortable at work. Second, we've changed or adapted our business focus in two ways. One, in taking some of our current product lines in the reference materials and expanding that to wastewater, which we believe can be helpful in the diagnostics of community exposure. And then second, in the focus on bringing out more product lines in probiotics that can actually support the immune system. The best advice I could give anyone that would be also helpful to the business community in Colorado is not to be fearful, but to be educated. To look at what you can do to support your overall health and to maintain proper hygiene.